Hello, Booster Beast here. Today we'll be opening some old packs, interventions. Trying in Kaladesh interventions from Kaladesh, one of the better value sets of the current after 2013. We're gonna try getting some interventions, some Kaladesh interventions. Also from here, we're trying to get Chandra's Touch of Defiance. It's also good. We're trying to also get tokens and any other unique, cool cards we could pull. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to become a patron, which is not necessary, the link is in the description. Let's get into this video. We have 5 packs of Kaladesh. See if we can pull something good. Very nice. If you haven't already, go watch the M Uncut video, because in that video I think I pulled an invocation. So I figured I'd try it at a masterpiece. A masterpiece. Okay, we got Thriving, Select from Inspection, Union, Mind Rot, Thriving Rhino, Impeccable Timing, Fireforge Puzzle Knot, Curator Vendor, Chandra's Cogworker's Puzzle Knot, Imperial Voyage, Daredevil, Fairgrounds of Trumpeter, and the rare is Deadlock Trap. Very nice. Put this over here. And we got an island as land and a servo as a token. Very, very nice. Very nice. Put this over here. Next pack we got is Chandra's pack art. Okay, so we got Gremlin, Hawk, Wingsmith, Scavenger, Siege of the Calm, Tiger, Prism, Serpent, Skyguard, Festivities, Brawler, Foundry, Furbish, Eliminate Competition is the rare. We got the mountain as the land and the advertisement as place of the token. Let's read these 2 rares. I forgot to read them. Let's go read them. So, eliminate competition, cost 5, add an additional cost to this. Eliminate competition, sacrifice X creatures, destroy X creatures. So it's destroy creatures to destroy creatures. Sack creatures to destroy creatures. Cost 3. Deadlock Trap enters the battlefield tapped. When Deadlock Trap enters the battlefield, you get 2 energy counters. Pay 1 energy counter, tap target creature or planeswalker. Its activated abilities can't be activated this turn. Very nice, very nice. Alright, moving on to pack number 3. Got Grubs, Hawk, Scavenger, Dawn, Impeccable Timing, Puzzle Knot, Fender, Chandra's Felix, Cogworker, Puzzle Knot, Furious Appraisal, Guide, Rejection, and the rare is Panharmonicon. Cost 4. If an artifact or creature enters the battlefield, causes a trigger ability or opponent you control to trigger, that ability triggers an additional time. Very, very nice. Then we got a Hollow Worship Assistant. And we got a Plains as the land and a Thopter as the token. Moving on to pack number 4. How's everyone's day doing today? Please comment below how you're doing today. Please comment below what your favorite card is I pull. I'm not expecting anything too good out of these packs. This place I bought them from wasn't that really that good. Wasn't really that good. So I'm not expecting anything awesome out of it. Boom, a servo token. Okay. Hail to the Fair, Hermit, Smash, Sea Sculptor, Club Sentry, Sparks, Puzzle Knot, Tiny Conclusion, Goggles, Enthusiast, Genius, Mold, and the rare is Aether Flux Reservoir. Cost 4. Whenever you cast a spell, you gain 1 life for each spell you cast this turn. Pay 50 life. Aether Reservoir deals 50 damage to target creature or player. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sword of the Feast and Famine. Artifact equipped creature gets +2/+2 and has protection from black and green. I'm sorry, my voice. Cost 3. Whenever a creature deals combat damage to a player, that player discards a card and untap all lands control. Equip 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And we got Swamp as the land. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got a Aether Intervention. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that just made my day. Aether Intervention. Okay. Last pack. I don't know how I'm gonna beat that Blade Master, Gremlin, Fair, Hermit, Rats, Artisan, Aetherborn, Prowler, Drake, Automation, Charger, Surveillance, Fanatic, Copter is the rare, Smuggler Copter, cost 2, Artifact Vehicle, flying when thrown enters when it attacks or blocks, you may draw a card. If you do, discard a card. Cruise 1. Very nice, very nice. Then we got a Forest as the land, and a Construct as the token. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, which you better, because that's oh my god, a masterpiece. Not a masterpiece, it was an invention. I don't know if it's a masterpiece or an invention, I don't know. But I hope you enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And this video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast. Bye-bye.